Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to record in slow motion on your DJI Osmo Action 6. Okay, if you'd like to do it, you can simply do it by sliding on the screen like so until you find slow motion, then tap on it. And now let's set the settings of it because we can change different things here. You can change the resolution from 1080p via 2.7K to 4K. And in those last two, you can only set the speed to the maximum of 4 times speed up, which will result in recording in 120 hertz in 120 FPS. So yeah, that's gonna be the speed basically. You can speed it up by 4 times without seeing visible loss of frame rate. And in 1080p you can also, if you want, record in 240 FPS, which gives you a possibility to slow down the video 8 times at most. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.